In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excalidraw in Obsidian. Excalidraw is a powerful tool that allows you to create sketches, diagrams, and visual notes with ease. Integrating it into Obsidian can significantly enhance your note-taking capabilities by allowing you to add visually engaging content directly within your notes. So, let's dive in and go through the process together, step by step. Firstly, the journey begins with installing the Excalidraw plugin in Obsidian. Start by opening up your Obsidian application. Once you're in, navigate to the settings, which you will find usually by looking for the gear icon. In Settings, look for the Community Plugins section, an area that's dedicated to expanding functionality through various plugins developed by the Obsidian community. If you find that restricted plugins are enabled, you will need to disable restricted mode. This will pave the way for third-party plugins like Excalidraw. Once done, you'll want to click on the Browse button. This will open up a list of available plugins. In the search bar provided, type in Excalidraw. As you find the Excalidraw plugin in the list, select it and proceed to click on Install. After a brief moment, the installation will complete and you'll see the option to enable the plugin. Click Enable to finish up this setup process. Now Excalidraw has been successfully integrated into your Obsidian setup. With Excalidraw now installed, it's time to bring your visual ideas to life by creating your very first Excalidraw drawing. You'll begin this by accessing the command palette. This can be done quickly by pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Once the command palette is open, type Excalidraw to locate the Excalidraw commands. From the options that appear, select Create New Drawing. Here, you're invited to give your new creation a name, something relevant, as it'll allow you to search for it easily later on. With that setup, you will be transported to the canvas where your creative journey begins. The canvas is your playground. On it, you can utilize a range of elements to articulate your thoughts visually. You can create basic shapes, perfect for laying the groundwork for more complex diagrams. Use arrows and lines to connect ideas, establish relationships, or simply guide the viewer's eye in a structured flow. Text can be added to label sections or annotate what your visuals represent. Furthermore, if you're inclined towards a more organic form, you can add hand-drawn sketches. As you progress, it's important to remember that the possibilities are vast. With Excalidraw, you can compose detailed diagrams, build structured mind maps, or even outline process flowcharts. Each drawing is a personalized tool that aids in articulating your thoughts and ideas. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to leverage Excalidraw within Obsidian. By following these instructions, you should be all set to enhance your notes with vibrant and informative visualizations. Thank you for joining today, and happy drawing!